agabire mijo mchanga echa kigezi hamwe no kutagira byombeko birungi kandi birukwemarira nkoburaro bw'abeji.
Our students enrollment has declined, and of course this has been the contributing factor was the competition. In the past, UCC was the only institution in this area, Western Uganda, but now with many institutions, that one has reduced our enrollment. And as Chairman, Governing Council will tell you, we may need to revise our strategy.
Wajira yayongera ngo bwahati ishomero ritunga kasente kace kwiha government bashaba kurebuka ngo abana bashome binte birukuba yambo mu mikorere yabo hamwe n'ebya karmagezi. Nagira ngo government yabaho bihumbe bushatu babatera urutambo.
We have low staffing and they are not well motivated. Our staff are doing a lot of job despite the challenges of low pay.
Ukurjira principal w'itendekero hatabana bakacendera abo matendekera gakanyiro mu district ya Kabare hamwe na Kigezi okutwariza hamwe. Eshonga yo kucendera kwa beji hamwe ne sentenche eziruke w'itendekero yashaje ukora umukuru w'akaciko akari kutegeka UCC Henry Bwaganika kandi yashaba government okubakwata hamukono.
Government mu kimana. We are also incapacitated. Sometimes government has a lot of priorities. I mean, not priorities actually. There are a lot of activities. It is also happening in Mukuru.
Kura kachiko kari kubwita hamwe beji abashomire UCC Kabare Rawlings Matsko nawe yashaba government okurabira mu kitongere cy'ebyobwegese n'emizano kubikiriza kutandika kushomesa amashomo aharurengo rwa degree ubundi kikaba yamba kubona beji binjiho.
Our goal is for us to increase numbers if we can be accredited to give for degrees, and as alumni we are taking it up to see how we can forward it. We have forwarded some documents, the ministries, to see how we can take it up to another level.
Kuonka wa Minister by'amakorero kandi omunyishenjero wa Ndora West David Bahati wabajwekirwa umujwekero wa President of District ya Kabare Godfrey Nyakahuma yashaba beja bashomira hitendekere ya UCC Kabare okugumana bahabura beji abariyo Bwahati okugira ngo bamanye bintu ngo kubiru kutwazubwa.
I'm happy to note that the government of Uganda provided the college with a storage multipurpose block in 2013, which houses the computer laboratories, library and lecture rooms, although more projects are in the pipeline.
Abeja bahejireyo bebembire Rawlings Matsko batongoza hehuru yo kugura itendekero za computer 50 hamwe na hub ya Bwakarmagezi kandi bakuru bitendekero abakozireho bona bahewe birabo. Gasha kwa Jime Emmanuel